Have you ever looked at a piece of powerful technology and wondered why it isn't everywhere? The Bell AH-1Z Viper attack helicopter is a perfect example. On paper, it's a beast, a twin-engine, state-of-the-art gunship. It's bristling with missiles, rockets, and a devastating cannon. Yet, when you scan the list of the world's air forces, the Viper is a surprisingly rare sight. Why isn't this formidable predator a global bestseller? First and foremost, the Viper has to contend with a giant, the AH-64 Apache. The Apache got there first, and it built a massive global user base. When dozens of your allies are already flying the Apache, it creates a powerful network effect. There's a shared pool of knowledge, spare parts, and training programs. For a country looking to buy a new attack helicopter, choosing the Apache is often the safe, logical, and interoperable choice. The Viper, despite its capabilities, is the talented newcomer trying to break into a market that's already been cornered. Another key reason is the Viper's very specific upbringing. It was developed primarily for the US Marine Corps. What do the Marines need? A helicopter that can operate from ships, withstand salty sea air, and support amphibious landings. The Viper is marinized from top to bottom. But what if you're a landlocked country or your army operates far from the coast? Suddenly, all those specialized and expensive features become less of a selling point and more of an unnecessary cost. The sticker price of a helicopter is just the tip of the iceberg. The real cost lies beneath the surface in maintenance, spare parts, and training a whole new generation of pilots and mechanics. For a country that already operates American hardware, especially the Apache, adding the Viper means setting up a completely separate and costly logistics chain. It's simply cheaper and easier to stick with what you know. Furthermore, international arms sales are as much about politics as they are about performance. A nation's decision is often swayed by long-standing alliances and diplomatic relationships, which can favor one manufacturer over another. In the end, the AH-1Z Viper's limited popularity isn't a reflection of its quality. It's an absolutely lethal and effective helicopter. Caught between the Apache's market dominance, its own specialized design, and the complex web of global logistics, the Viper remains an exceptional choice for a select few rather than the go-to gunship for the many.